Oh, he squirted corn in your ear?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that good, Mace?
Yeah.
Do you like corn as much as you like oatmeal? Yeah, definitely.
He eats it just the same.
Two of these are his.
And then there's Morgan.
Is that good?
Yep. Left a little bit on your cheek there, son. Oh, man. He's only 4.
At least it's corn.
Huh?
At least it's corn.
Oh, no, he's eating it like it's maize. And then there's Morgan.
Good job, Mace. I think it's done. I think it's good.
And he puts it on your plate.